suddenly shy, Ollie? What's wrong? Oh, your hair looks just fine, my friend.
Okay, hi, I'm Ollie. Welcome to Cooking with Ollie.
It's Cooking with Kaylee. With Ollie! Yes, okay, it's Cooking with Ollie. All right, Ollie, what do you want to make today?
Let's make a salad. Let's make a salad.
Let's make a salad. Is that it?
All together. Let's make a salad.
Okay, now that we have the salad song out of the way, what do you want to put in your salad, Ollie?
Red, green, green.
Yeah, I know you like green because you are green.
Red, green, green, yellow.
Okay, do you know what those are called?
Tomato.
All right, here we go. Let's get you the tomato. No, it's not salad. It's not salad yet, Ollie. Oh. Yeah, that's right.
Cucumber.
Very good. And what's this? This is what we're going to mostly put in the salad. Lettuce. Lettuce! Very good. And what color pepper did you say you want?
Yellow pepper for the rainbow factor.
Wow, you're learning so much, Ollie. All right, here's your yellow pepper. Okay, does that look like a good salad?
Okay, what's next?
Well, next you gotta wash your lettuce. You gonna do that? Okay. Do you need help? Okay, no problem, no problem. Here we go. Here's the bowl. Now we're gonna put that into the bowl. Okay, here we go. Oh, you don't wanna. Okay.
I'm helping.
Very good, Ollie. Thank you. It's okay, don't worry. What if we put this down here? Does that make it easier? That was amazing, Ollie. Can you do it again?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Very good. Okay, let's go watch this.
Okay, now what?
Now you got to pick out all the bad bits, Ollie. The bad bits, like anything that's not green or white. Or purple if you're using purple lettuce.
Like that brown bit?
Yeah, the brown bit. You want to pick that out. We don't want to eat that.
Okay.
We want to feed that to the worms in the compost.
The worms like the brown bits?
Yeah, the worms really like the brown bits. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Okay, very good. Now we're going to break that up a little bit.
Okay.
So we want to just make it so that you can eat it easily, like this. Ollie!
Delicious.
It's not salad yet. Oh. Okay, well, we want to make it into bite-sized pieces. So maybe like, this big. Here we go. Break it all up.
Then what?
And then we gotta cut the veggies. Not you, me, I'm gonna cut the veggies.
Okay. Can I go play my ball?
I thought you were helping.
But I can't cut the veggies.
Okay, that's true. So, I'll cut the veggies because I'm over 30 and so I'm allowed to use a knife. Okay, see you in a bit.
Okay.
So we're gonna finish breaking all this up. There we go. And I'll cut these for him. Ollie! Ollie! Come back upstairs.
Wow, salad!
It's not salad yet? Oh. Okay, what do you see?
Hmm.
tomatoes in?
Triangles?
Yeah, they're like triangle pyramids. And
Julie Andrews.
Julie Andrews. What are you trying to say?
Julie's.
Julie's? Julianne?
Yeah!
Very good. They're like a thick, not really Julie. Yeah, good job. Okay, so now what do we do?
Mix it all up, mix it all up.
Very good. So we're going to put your, what is this?
Lettuce.
Yep, into the bowl. Do you want to put the rest of the stuff? Awesome. Now we're going to make a really easy dressing. My mom is dressing.
No.
Yeah, Nona's dressing. Okay, we're going to make a dressing just with 3 ingredients. Okay, we're going to use lemon, oil.
Olive oil.
Yeah, you're right, actually, it's olive oil. Nope, you can't drink olive oil, that's no good. And salt.
Okay.
So, here we go. You ready? We're going to do 2 tablespoons of lemon or acid, apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and some salt.
Oh, okay, that's easy.
Yes, it is. All right, here we go. So, look, do you see what I see?
Can you see what I see?
Nope, it's not Christmas. I see a lemon seed.
Oh, can I eat it?
No, you can't eat the lemon seed. Okay, now we're going to stir it all up.
Let's make a salad. Let's make a salad.
Very good. Salad, Ollie. Let's see. Looks very yummy.
Is it good?
It's delicious. You want to try some? Okay. Well, let's put it into our bowls first, okay? What color bowl do you want?
Green.
Oh, I wanted green. It's okay. You can have green. Green's your favorite color.
Okay.
There you go. I will have blue today. And what color of fork do you want? Let me guess. Green.
No, you have green.
Aw, that's so nice. Thank you, Ollie.
I'll have yellow.
Okay. A yellow fork for Ollie. There you go. Ready? It's just 1 cucumber. Okay. Here we go. Look at that, Ollie. We got a salad.
Wow! Cooking with Ollie. Cooking with Ollie. Bye, everybody. Bye, friends.
Bye, everyone. If you want to do more cooking with me and Ollie, then check us out on our website, cookingwithkaylee.com.
Cookingwithkaylee.com.
Okay, bye.